this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, I am going to be doing this Christmas crafts edition. So that's what I'm calling it, and today I am going to share with you 16 Christmas crafts that you can make in order to make you some money for Christmas. Okay? So I have everything written down, and as you know, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. Make sure you get your notebook, a pen, get you something to drink, and make sure you write down these Christmas crafts so that you can make some money. So let's go ahead and get into it. Number one. Now, you know, we have seen these all over the internet. We have seen these everywhere. And it's called personalized ornaments. Now, I have made these before myself, and I'm going to be linking pictures in this video for you to see the ones that I made. Now, these right here, this can be customized for families, for pets. It can be customized for first milestones, which is baby's first Christmas. Now, baby's first Christmas is highly in demand. So make sure you go and check this out and make these ornaments, okay? Offering sets of ornaments, which means you offer more than one, maybe 6 or 12, will bring in more money, okay? Offer them in books. All right, so number 2 is holiday apparel. Holiday apparel can be anything from t-shirts, sweaters, it can be matching PJs, you know, during the holiday season, especially Christmas. Families like to dress up in pajamas. I know me and my family, we did last year, we did year before last, and we're going to do it again this year. So that's also a great product to sell to make you some extra money. All right, so now when it comes to the PJs, the t-shirts, and all of that, make sure you can personalize it with names so that it can stand out. All right, so let's go ahead and go to number 3. Now, number 3 is another one that's in high demand and that you have seen everywhere, and it's personalized stockings, personalized Christmas stockings. We all love to have stockings, right? We hang stockings up on our fireplace. If you don't have a fireplace, you might hang them somewhere else. And you have them for the kids. You have it for the mom, the dad, the adults. You have all kinds of stockings. Stockings are super cute, and especially when you personalize them. Now, stockings is something that I've been making for a really long time, especially when my kids were younger, because we can put their names on the stockings, and they won't have to get confused. They know exactly which stocking is theirs. So, this is another one that is in high demand, and it will make a great profit margin, okay? So let's keep going. Number 4. Number 4 is Christmas themed tumblers and mugs. Now, y'all know what? I love me a good tumbler. And I love me a good mug, because a mug is something, you know, you can put their name on it. You can put a Christmas design on it. You can put whatever you want to on a Christmas mug or tumbler. So again, that will bring in a great profit margin. All right. Another thing I want to say is make sure you know your customer base also. So if you know your customers like more mugs than tumblers, then maybe you want to do more mugs than tumblers. If your customers like more tumblers than mugs, then you may want to do more tumblers than mugs. But either or is a great seller. It's going to be a great profit for Christmas. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the next one. The next one is number 5, Christmas door wreaths. Y'all, Christmas door wreaths are really, really beautiful. Now, I have made these before. The one that I made for one of the girls in my hometown, she asked me to make her one, and I think this was back in 2019. So I've been making these for a really long time. And I also made one, I think it was last year. One of the ladies that I worked with, she asked me to make her one. So I did that also. And I will be also linking a picture right here so that you can see the one I made. But they are very profitable. So if that's something that you know your customer base would like, then you can offer that also. All right, let's move on. Number 6. Festive throw pillows. Now, who don't love a good throw pillow on the couch? You know, you can lay on the couch, you can watch Christmas movies, you can drink hot chocolate, you can do whatever it is that you want to do and have your festive throw pillow right there with you. Now, when it comes to the throw pillows, you can jazz them up You can jazz them up with maybe a Christmas design, maybe a Merry Christmas, maybe with the person's name on it, or however you want to do in order to bring in that profit. All right? So let's keep it going. Let's move on to number 7. Now, number 7 is digital printables. Now, what I mean by this is anything that is like a Christmas template, Christmas design, and, you know, so on like that. So that all your customers have to do is upload them and print them out and put them on whatever they want to put them on, okay? So, digital printables. That's going to be a great profit for Christmas also. All right, y'all. So now we're going to go ahead and get into number 8. Now, number 8, y'all, so many people love this, especially during the holiday season and the Christmas season with family around. Hey, and even just to make your house smell good, and it's Christmas candles. Who don't love a good candle? I love candles. I love to make sure my house smells good, not just on Christmas, but actually throughout the year. But Christmas is one of the times that a lot of people like to burn candles. So Christmas candles is another thing that's in high demand and will make you a great profit. So remember that. So let's keep it going, all right? Number 9. Now, most of y'all don't know this, but I used to make this. I'm going to be linking pictures here and just show you some of the ones that I have made. And this is Christmas jewelry. So I made jewelry a long time ago. I actually started making jewelry, I think in like 2016, 17. And when I started my YouTube channel back in 2018, I started uploading some of them over on my other channel. So yeah, Christmas jewelry is another thing that will make a huge profit because so many people like jewelry. And even if a lot of people don't wear jewelry throughout the year, on Christmas or around Christmas time or the holidays, people like to wear them because I know I made like the Christmas earrings, all of that. So just have that in mind. If this is something that you want to do, remember that you can potentially make a great profit with making Christmas jewelry. All right. So y'all, we're on number 10 already. We're going through this. Remember, I don't want this video to be super long, but I do want to tell y'all these 16 items that will bring you in a profit for Christmas. So let's move on to number 10. Oh my goodness, y'all. Number 10. I know that y'all don't know this, but my family said I make the best hot chocolate. And y'all, I have to pat myself on the back and say I do. All right. But let me tell you something that's going to bring you in a good profit for Christmas. All right, I feel like this is gonna bring you in a good profit, and it's the hot chocolate bombs. So what the hot chocolate bombs are, they're just the little balls. You can make them as big as you want to, or you can make them as small as you want to, but you just drop them in hot water, and they turn into pretty much like hot chocolate, and you can drink it. So that's going to be one pretty much huge profit margin that you can make. All right, just make sure your customers want that. Make sure you know what your customers want before actually selling any of these things, because it all depends on the customer base. Now, not all customers are going to like all these. Not all customers are going to buy them, but it just depends on your customers and your business. All right, so let's move on to number 11. Y'all, number 11 is a major one. Now, I love these myself, and I have made them before. Now, a lot of things I make, I do not put here on my channel, but I have made Christmas doormats. Now, Christmas doormats is another one that I feel like will bring in a huge profit. These are nice for a great profit, and adding a cute design to them, y'all, that's gonna just bring it over the top, okay? You can do a name, you can do Merry Christmas, you can do just a regular Christmas design without any writing. You can do whatever you want to, okay? But just make sure you do your research and make sure that it's what your customer wants. All right, so let's go on to number 12, y'all. Trying to get through these, okay? So number 12, y'all, let me tell you about this. So me and my family, we had a little Yorkie, and he passed away about 2 years ago now. So we just got another dog. we got another dog. We got a big dog this time. This time we have an Australian Shepherd, and he's still a puppy. But I'm gonna tell you what would bring in a great profit for you, and that's pet Christmas accessories. Because we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do with our dog for Christmas. What we're gonna let him wear, because we always take like Christmas pictures and things like that, and you know we gotta have our dog in the pictures also. Now I'm gonna show you a picture of our dog. Our previous dog was a little Yorkie, and what we had him on about 2 Christmases ago, okay, or 2 or 3 Christmases ago. And you know, people love their pets, so this is going to be a potential profit margin for you, okay. Let's keep it moving. Let's go on to number 13. Christmas cookie gift boxes. Y'all, people eat cookies. They eat, again, you could do a box for the hot chocolate bomb. If you don't want to put the cookie in, you can put the hot cocoa bombs or the hot chocolate bombs in a Christmas box and sell them. You know, that could be a high profit margin also. But just make sure you know, again, what your customers like. You can make the box itself, or you can add some cookies or hot chocolate to the box, whichever way. These will be a great profit maker this holiday. All right, y'all, so let's move on. Let's go on to number 14. We almost there. All right, so number 14, y'all. So when it comes to these right here, okay, so we talked about the tumblers as being a great profit margin. So when you have your family there or your friends at your house for the holidays, you don't want them just setting their tumblers or their mugs on your table. You want to have what? A Christmas coaster. So Christmas coasters are going to be a hot seller, okay? It's number 14, Christmas coasters. You have them on your table so that people can put their tumblers on, people can put their mugs on, and just sit things on, and you can sell those things to your customers, because guess what? They don't want nobody setting a tumbler or mug on their tables also. And some people just like to have coasters just to, you know, just to have around the house. Okay, so that's going to be another one that could be a potential profit maker. All right, y'all, we're at number 15. So number 15 is Christmas gift baskets. Let me tell y'all, I've been making gift baskets for a really long time. I started making gift baskets, oh wow, when my kids were little. My kids were my oldest daughter. I started making gift baskets with my oldest daughter, and I continued with my twins. And I had a couple of people who asked me to make gift baskets. I also made some gift baskets for my family when it came to them having babies, baby showers, and things like that. So guess what? A Christmas gift basket is going to be a great profit margin if that's something, again, that your customers want. So make sure you check into that about the Christmas gift baskets. I feel that it will be a great profit margin as long as you put like things in it, Christmas items. I'm a big believer in putting things in a basket that people can use, because at my job, I gave baskets last year for Christmas, and I also gave baskets for, I give baskets for birthdays and you know, like Valentine's Day. And one of the ladies I gave a basket to, she was like, Ieasha, you always put things in here that we can use. And that's how I do. Anything that is I feel that a person can use. Now, just say for instance, you're making it for your customer. You may or may not know your customer, but if you do know your customer and your customer did not tell you exactly what they want in the basket, just know what your customer like and just add the things that they like to the basket. So it's totally up to you because it's your business, but I really do feel like that's going to be a high profit margin for Christmas. All right, y'all, so we're down to the last one, and this is number 16. Number 16, and this is something that I love also. I have tons of these, and it's a Christmas cutting board. Now, I have some Christmas cutting boards, and I have just regular cutting boards. But a cutting board is something that pretty much every household needs, because you're going to be cutting something. Whether you cutting onions, tomatoes, you cutting something to cook for Christmas, you cutting something for dinner, whatever it may be. A Christmas cutting board, I feel like it's going to be one profit margin that you can make for this Christmas season, because everybody uses a cutting board, right? Pretty much everybody do. And you can design it however you want to. So since we're talking about Christmas, you can put a Christmas design on it. You can put a name on it. You can put whatever you want to on it. All right, so y'all, I thank you all so very much. These are the 16 Christmas crafts that I feel like will make a great profit for you during the Christmas holiday season. So you know when to start selling? Now. Now is the time to go ahead and think about what you're going to be selling. Go ahead and get those items so that you can go ahead and sell them to your customers so they can go ahead and buy it. Because y'all, Christmas is next month. Next month. Thanksgiving is this month. So y'all, we got to go ahead and make that money, okay? So I thank y'all so very much for watching. I hope that you all have an amazing Thursday. And guess what, y'all? I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.